Hello, geeks. Welcome to the Space Quiz. Get ready to test your cosmic knowledge with 30 exciting questions across 4 levels: easy, medium, hard, and extreme hard. From planets to galaxies, let's see how far you can go in this ultimate challenge. Before we start, hit the subscribe button to join the party. Are you ready? Let's play. All right, let's kick things off with the easy level and warm up your space knowledge. Let's go. What is the name of our galaxy? The Milky Way, Orion, or Andromeda? It's the Milky Way. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy with over 100 billion stars, and it is so vast that light takes about 100,000 years to travel across it. Which planet is closest to the Sun, Earth, Venus, or Mercury? It's Mercury. Mercury is the smallest and fastest planet in our solar system. It's smaller than Earth's moon, zipping around the Sun every 88 Earth days. Can you guess this planet, known for its rings? Of course, it's Saturn. Saturn's rings, made of ice, rock, and dust, are only about 30 feet thick, but extend up to 175,000 miles from the planet. Though they look like a solid disk, they are a glittering shower of particles that orbit Saturn at different speeds. Which planet is known as the Earth's twin? Mercury, Venus, or Mars? Venus is the correct answer. Venus is called Earth's twin because of its similar size and composition, but it has a toxic atmosphere and surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. The brightest star in the night sky is the North Star. True or false? It's false. Actually, Sirius is the brightest star in the night sky, not the North Star. Sirius is twice as bright as any other star visible from Earth and is part of the constellation Canis Major. Who was the first human to journey into space? Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, or Yuri Gagarin? Yuri Gagarin. On April 12, 1961, he became the first human to orbit Earth. Gagarin's spacecraft, Vostok 1, circled Earth at a speed of 27,400 kilometers per hour. The flight lasted 108 minutes. What was the name of the first space station? Salyut 1, Mir, or Skylab? It's Salyut 1. Launched by the Soviet Union in 1971, Salyut 1 was the world's first space station. It orbited Earth for 175 days before re-entering the atmosphere and burning up. Saturn has the most moons in our solar system. True or false? Yes, it's true. Not one, not two. Saturn has 146 moons in its orbit, more than any other planet. The moons range from larger than the planet Mercury, like the giant moon Titan, to as small as a sports arena. What is the first spacecraft to reach interstellar space? Voyager 2, Pioneer 1, or Voyager 1? It's Voyager 1. Voyager 1 is a NASA spacecraft that became the first human-made object to enter interstellar space in August 2012. It is currently the farthest man-made object from Earth and is still sending scientific data back to Earth. Which planet is often called the blue planet? Earth, Neptune, or Uranus? Of course, Earth is called the blue planet due to the abundance of water covering about 71% of its surface, giving it its distinct blue appearance from space. Ready for a little more kick? Let's raise the bar to medium level. How many moons does Mars have? 1, 2, or 3? Two moons, Phobos and Deimos. Mars' moons are believed to be captured asteroids from the nearby asteroid belt, and both are irregularly shaped. Approximately how old is the universe? 10.8, 12.6, or 13.7 billion years? $13.7 billion years old. The age of the universe is calculated using cosmic microwave background radiation, which is the afterglow of the Big Bang. What is the most common type of galaxies in the universe? Spiral, elliptical, or irregular? Option B, elliptical. Elliptical galaxies are mostly made up of older stars and contain very little gas and dust, meaning there is minimal star formation occurring. Red dwarfs are the most common type of star in the Milky Way. True or false? Yes, sir, it's true. Red dwarfs are cooler and smaller than the stars like the Sun, making them live much longer, potentially for trillions of years. What is the closest star to Earth after the Sun? Proxima Centauri, Mintaka, or Alpha Centauri? It's Proxima Centauri. Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our solar system at 4.24 light-years away, has an Earth-sized planet in its habitable zone, Proxima b, which might support liquid water and potentially life. Approximately how many miles is a light year? 5.99, 5.88, or 5.68 trillion miles? 5.88 trillion miles. A light year measures the distance light travels in 1 year, which helps astronomers measure vast distances in space. What accounts for approximately 85% of matter in the universe? Dark energy, ordinary matter, or dark matter? Of course, dark matter. Dark matter doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light, making it invisible, but its presence is inferred from its gravitational effects on visible matter. How many constellations are there? 98, 88, or 89? Answer is 88. The 88 constellations cover the entire sky and were standardized by the International Astronomical Union in 1922. What is a day on Mars called? Sol, Sidereal, or Jovian? A Martian day is called Sol. A Sol is approximately 24 hours and 39 minutes long, slightly longer than a day on Earth. What type of galaxy is the Milky Way? Irregular, elliptical, or spiral? Spiral is the answer. The Milky Way has a central bar and arms that spiral outward, and it rotates at about 168 miles per second. It gets tougher from here. As we enter the hard level, things are about to get serious. What is the sun's outermost layer of atmosphere called? Corona, convection zone, or photosphere? It's called corona. The sun's corona is incredibly hot, reaching temperatures of up to 1 million degrees Celsius, much hotter than its surface, and is visible during a solar eclipse. What color is the hottest kind of star? Blue or blue-white, yellow, or red? Blue or blue-white? Blue or blue-white stars are the hottest, with surface temperatures reaching over 25,000 degrees Celsius, much hotter than red or yellow stars. What is the name of this moon of Saturn? It's Titan. Titan is the second largest moon in the solar system and has a thick atmosphere and lakes of liquid methane and ethane. Which planet in our solar system has the longest day? Mars, Venus, or Jupiter? It's Venus that has the longest day. A day on Venus, one full rotation on its axis, lasts about 243 Earth days, which is even longer than its year, 225 Earth days. This slow rotation is retrograde, meaning Venus spins in the opposite direction of most planets in the solar system. Which planet has the largest ocean? Jupiter, Mars, or Earth? Of course, Jupiter. While not a water ocean like Earth's, the sheer size of Jupiter and the immense volume of its liquid hydrogen ocean make it the largest in the solar system. It's time for the ultimate test. Welcome to the extreme hard level, where only the boldest space explorers thrive. How long does each season last on Neptune? 31, 28, or 40 Earth years? 40 Earth years. Since Neptune takes 165 Earth years to orbit the Sun, each of its 4 seasons, spring, summer, fall, and winter, lasts about 40 years. What color is the sunset on Mars? Pink, blue, or yellow? Not pink or yellow, it's blue. Due to the fine dust in Mars' atmosphere, sunsets appear blue as the fine particles scatter the sunlight, filtering out the warmer colors. Where is the Oort cloud located? Past Pluto in asteroid belt or past Neptune? Past Pluto. The Oort cloud is a vast, spherical shell of icy objects that surrounds the solar system and is the source of many long-period comets. What was the name of the first animal in orbit? Belka, Laika, or Strelka? Option B, Laika. Laika, a Soviet space dog, was the first animal to orbit Earth in 1957 aboard Sputnik 2. Sadly, Laika did not survive the mission. What was the first asteroid to be landed on by a space probe? Eros, Juno, or Gaspra? The answer is Eros. NASA's Near Shoemaker probe landed on Eros in 2001, marking the first time a spacecraft landed on an asteroid. Eros also is one of the most elongated asteroids, a potato-shaped body. And at the end, can you answer this bonus question? What is the coldest place in the universe? Eagle Nebula, the Boomerang Nebula, or Rosette Nebula? The Boomerang Nebula. The Boomerang Nebula is located about 5,000 light-years away and has a temperature of just 1 degree Kelvin, making it colder than the background temperature of space. Thanks for joining us. No matter how many questions you mastered, you've proven that your curiosity about the universe is limitless. Pick your next challenge and consider subscribing to watch more vids.